Welcome back to the Salvatore Extreme Park and the hanging stuff, but don't do this at home. You need to follow the rules. Welcome to the Hummingbird Park, where we can see plenty of the 30,000 species of hummingbirds around here. The most rarest is the Purple Crested Hummingbird. Oh my, bees and hummingbirds. What a magnificent sight. Let's not get too close because you don't want to disturb them in their natural habitat. Magnificent, magnificent, I say. Whee! That there is the emerald green hummingbird. You just saw him stick out his tongue. And he interacts with the bees like it is a nothing. You may think hummingbirds and the bees are similar and alike because they have a lot of the same features. The purple-throated mountain jay, the green-crowned brilliant, the ruby-throated hummingbird, and the violent sebring are some of the rarest ones that you will find out here. I do not see the rarest of them all, but hey, it'll be okay. We're in Costa Rica. Whee! Watch your step. These flowers are dead, but they offer a succulent nectar for the hummingbirds, and they were shaped just so for the hummingbirds to feed. These were lifted away by the monkeys. That's why they're not there. And down there somewhere is where they filmed Ice Cube and Jennifer Lopez's behind in the movie Anaconda. Oh, welcome. Oh, there, the purple crested hummingbird of Costa Rica. And it is gone. That will be the only one we see for today. So I'm pretty sure there's only one in existence. Hola, mi amigos! Oh, very shiny green. Very pretty. Hola, mi amigos!